I've been using WealthFront throughout 2025, drawn by its appeal as a full-featured robo-advisor that blends automation with some real tech smarts. With a reputation for low fees, advanced tax optimization, and seamless investing, I wanted to see if it earns its hype or if it's overdue for an upgrade. Here's my full breakdown from experience. WealthFront aims to be your automated investment partner, offering goal-based wealth management through low-cost ETF portfolios. It's built for investors who want smart features like tax loss harvesting, college planning, and even a high-yield cash account, all while keeping fees lower than traditional advisors. In this review, I'll walk through what stood out, where it didn't deliver, the price structure, and who it suits best. The hallmark of WealthFront is its portfolio line, where your investments are divided into custom target return buckets: ultra-conservative, conservative, growth, or aggressive. It's a neat concept that delivers clarity and comfort without micromanagement. The tax optimization suite is especially strong. WealthFront automatically executes daily tax loss harvesting and offers direct indexing on accounts over $100,000, meaning you literally own shares within specific indexes to harvest losses while maintaining similar exposures. Financial planning tools are well executed. Path projects financial futures like college savings or retirement, integrated with your real account data, calendar projections, and recommended actions. The cash account now earns above-market interest with FDIC insurance, doubling as a high-return place for idle capital, all viewable alongside your investments in one interface. WealthFront's fee is 0.25% annually on assets under management, competitive for a full-service robo-advisor. They also offer a free tier for the first $5,000 if you're a Bank of America's or a Fidelity customer, thanks to a partnership, which is great for beginners. Transfers can be made seamlessly, although some accounts remain taxable upon exit. No surprise fees exist, so once you're invested, the cost structure is clear and consistent. For many, WealthFront's standout trait is how nearly hands-off it is, punctuated by powerful automation that handles rebalancing, tax savings, and projections behind the scenes. People love that this smart tech feels like having a planner in your pocket without the complexity of customizing every detail. Educational elements like blog posts and seminars are useful for designing and adjusting financial goals. Users managing multiple goals like retirement and college benefit from the modular path interface. However, WealthFront isn't a catch-all solution. Active traders, cryptocurrency seekers, or those wanting granular control over asset classes will feel constrained. No credit access or borrowing lines like some high-end robo-advisors offer. Their planning tools, while intuitive, may lack depth for those with advanced tax strategies or business income planning. While the tax loss harvesting and direct indexing are powerful, the minimum to access certain tools, like the year-round tax loss harvesting or direct indexing, starts at $100,000, raising the bar for casual investors to unlock the full experience. WealthFront remains a leading robo-advisor in 2025, ideal for long-term, goal-oriented investors who want clarity, automation, and smart tax strategy without managing the details themselves. Its blend of technology and usability keeps it relevant. If you want a hands-off investing partner that aids decisions and grows with you, it's a compelling pick. But if customization, active trading, or alternative asset access is your jam, you may need to look beyond. Think this helped? Tap like, subscribe, and share in the comments. What financial goal are you trying to automate? I'd love to help you explore tools built for it next.